Hello everyone, we wanted to give you a sneak peek of the Phantom V3 upgrade kit, starting with the display. You can see on this one it's a completely different display. The refresh rate is higher, the brightness is also higher, and you can see on this one we added a timer function so you can see how long your ride is when you ride. On top of that, it's also connectable to the app now, so you don't even need to necessarily look at the timer because you can track it on your phone and get a lot more data from your rides. After that, you can see we have the new throttles. On this sample, it's the same throttle as the City. However, on the upgrade kit, it's going to be the new throttle that we released because those ones still need to be worked on. So it's going to look like those ones. Let me open the upgrade kit for you so you can see the beautiful box with the silver letters here. You can slide the sleeve, reflective print on a matte finish, beautiful work of art. You have the QR code here, you scan it, it's gonna bring you to the website to show you how to install it. When we open the box, you have the Apollo Mach 1. On this side here, we're gonna be including wiring diagram to show you which connector is what, how to connect it on top of the video for the one of you that are more technical. And then we lift the cover and that's what it's going to look like. A fancy quote from me, and you have the beautiful display, the two throttles and the controller. The pattern of the controller changed a bit to be more efficient with the cooling, and the new one also looked better. And the letter here is going to be white instead of being orange. That's about it for the difference. And under the display, we included a battery adapter because now the new controller only have one input. So it's going to take the two input of the battery for the old controller and put it into one. And that's about it for the upgrade kit. Everything is plug and play, and the video of how to install it is pretty clear. So enjoy.